Parkinson.
Kana lang sa nao.
Kanta dia bibi ya. Ha?
Nakaligo sabi na.
Yan na.
Ayun na yung lagi.
She said, my son, I beg of you, I have a wish that must come true. The last thing you can do for mama. Please promise me that you will stay and take my place while I'm away and give the children love each day. I have to cry and say how hard can I say? I tried to find a word, I beg of you. She would not see me cry. So much to say that she'll be heard, but only time to say goodbye to mama. They say in time you will forget, yet still today my eyes are wet. I tell myself to smile for mama. Now soon there'll be another spring, and I will stop remembering the way they love to hear and sing her favorite song, Ave Maria. Ave Maria. The children all have grown up now. I kept my promise to mama. I cannot guide them anymore. I've done my best, all for mama. Ave Maria. Still this thing is very small, for all she did for me. Sorry, ay! As I told her,